Alright guys, this is Bank Nifty and 5-minute chart. Let's do some analysis for tomorrow. So before we start, let me show you exactly where I enter and why I enter in this market. So today I enter 3 times. So 2 times are profitable and 1 hit my SL. It's okay, 50 point SL, and another rest of the 150, 150, 300 and 250 rupees. 250 point I collect from this market. Okay guys, one announcement. So I'm going to open an Telegram channel where exactly I'm entering, and when I'm entering everything I'll update in our Telegram channel. So just one criteria there. You just go through my description and there are stock link are there, and go through this link and open an account. So I'll join you in our Telegram channel, and that is completely free. Even we are giving like entry point, exit point, where exactly we are entering. So all are free. So you can say like this is almost like a call that is purely free. And even I'm creating some analysis video even where exactly we have to, and we are going to enter. All right, just go through the link and click there. Okay, now you can see yesterday, you can see price was creating higher high, higher low, higher high, and finally price break this structure. All right, this is the premium course. So we explaining what is the breakout the structure, and all the way price drop and price pull back near this breakout the structure. So people may say like a SNR also support and resistance. Okay, so today price open a little bit gap up and price drop again and start running in a sideways, but that was a supply zone, right? That was a supply zone. Supply zone is like that. Okay, so below this supply zone we have seen this is the rejection candle. All right, so because this is a sharp selling off and very strong sell off, so that is why we are looking for short only, because they broke already the structure. Okay, so here there was 50 point SL and 150 point was target, so exactly hit my target somewhere there. So after that you can see, let me remove this one. So after that I connected this line also, and here that was also a supply zone, again supply zone, and below this supply zone that was a rejection. All right, so I placed sell order below this area, and that is here triggered my sell order. 150 point my target and 50 point was my SL. Okay, so it hit my SL. So same area, same method I use. Okay, so that was my demand zone. So our in our Telegram channel, definitely I'll explain where is the demand zone by drawing this line. So we have seen some rejection candle here. So that was my rejection candle, and I placed my SL above this candle, that was 50, and target was 150. Sorry, 150, but price goes a little bit, but hit my SL 50 points. So among the 3 trade, 1 trade we hit our SL. Okay, so let's analysis for tomorrow where exactly we are going to trade. So now you can see price are running in a downtrend. All right, according to price action method. So that is why we are looking for short only. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so here you can see, let me draw some supply zone. This is another supply zone, and we are looking for short after giving some rejection below this supply zone. Okay, so let's say market open like somewhere there. So we are not going to short because that is the breakout the structure. So if price open gap down, and we'll wait for a pullback, and we'll see some rejection in a small time frame like 1 minute. So it will be look like that. All right, and we'll sell in this area, and the target will be here because this is a strong zone. You can say demand zone. So that is why we'll close our position. Okay, as a buyer, what I'm going to do as a buyer, so let's say market open above this area. So means this is the lower low, lower high, and the lower low. And if price break and open somewhere there, and we'll wait for a pullback near this, that will be break out the structure here. Okay. Otherwise, we'll wait for a demand zone. Demand zone will be here. So once pullback and some rejection, we'll buy. So we expecting that price will continue from this area. So this is the method. All right. So if price open in between this area, so this is my supply zone, and demand zone, we are not going to recognize any demand zone because they are still not creating any higher high. So suppose price opens somewhere there in between this area, okay, in between this area. So we will wait for a pullback to this level, or if price break this level, so we'll wait to pull back near breakout the structure, or we will wait for a pullback near demand zone. So demand zone will be somewhere there. All right. So we'll see some rejection and price action method in a 1 minute chart. Okay. So let me show you here what was the price action method we use. Let me draw here in this area. Okay. Let me show you what was the price action method, what type of price action we are using, and even here also. All right. We enter here. So let me show you the price action. Okay, just go to 1 minute time frame. Okay, so here you can see this is the price action in a 1 minute chart. So what I told, we was looking for short only. So price goes down and again shoot up and break this higher, pull back, not able to break new low, even again price goes up, not able to break high, again goes down, not able to break the low, and price running like that here, pull back, goes up, and right here, have you seen, they start, finally they broke this lower point. So after that, price goes up little bit, pull back, and a rejection somewhere there. So finally we have seen some rejection point. Exactly, we enter here this rejection point, and all the way price drops. So that is the price action method we are using in a small time frame. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.